how are you guys? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all today's topic. So as you can see, the last time we were discussing about the Boolean logic. In that we have discussed about the truth table. So we are going to continue from the next topic. So let's see what is the not operator. Okay, as we talked about the logical operators, we have talked about the not and or. So we are going to start with the not operator. Actually, whenever we are saying not, so in that we are getting a opposite of that. Okay, you have few situations in general life. Assume that we have two conditions. Okay, either I will do this work or I will not do this work. If I will not do that work, then I have to go for the another situations. That means we have only one option. We have only one option. Out of two, I have to opt any one of the options. So like that, we have the only one signal. Performed operation in not operator called complementation. Okay, these things you have to remember, because performed operation in not operator are called complementation. Complementation are because you have to remember this word, because we have a one law on that. So complementation means opposite of that. You have to remember this thing. Okay, use the bar to represent the operators. Use the bar to represent the operators. Whenever you have the signal, let's suppose X signal you have, so you have to write like a bar. You have to make. Let's suppose you have a Y signal, so you are going to make Y like this. If you have the Z signal, you are going to make the like this. So it means that you are getting a not signal. Okay, and if you are using this way, this is also a X bar. Okay, so make it sure this is also X bar, Y bar, Z bar, like that. So example, you can see this is 0. 0 means you are giving a complement of 0 is 1. One complement is 0. Only one signal. Make it sure only one signal you have to understand. Okay, if you are going to give 0, you are going to get 1. If you are going to give 1, then you are going to get 0. Make it sure, my dear student, that you have to remember 0 means low, you are going to get high. If you are going to get high, then you are going to get low. So these are the things that you can remember. Okay, I think you all are familiar with the working of stabilizer. Now we have the OR operator. It is an operator called logical addition and the symbol used by the plus. So make it sure whenever you are going to use the OR operator, that time you are going to add the values, and it can prefer two signals. Okay, it can prefer two signals and more than that. So as you can see, X plus Y, so it can be write down as X or Y. As you can see, 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1, 1 plus 0 equals to 1, and 1 plus 1 equals to 1. So it is simple math. 0 plus 0 equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is going to be 1, 1 plus 0 is going to be 1, 1 plus 1 it is going to be 1. Make it sure that you have to remember the last thing only, 1 plus 1 equals to 1. Okay, in the binary terms, if you have to do the addition of the binary, that time 1 plus 1 it is going to become 10. Okay, make it sure whenever you are going to do the binary addition. So make it sure, my dear student, that you have to remember. If you have not watched my previous video, if you have not watched my 1's complement and 2's complement in the binary, so you have to go and watch that video, how to carry the numbers and how to do the numbers. So these are the things that you have to remember. So now next thing, if you want to represent these things in the table, so like that you can represent in the table. I think this is clear to everyone. So this is the Venn diagram. Okay, if you can remember, then that is good. If you cannot remember, there is no issue. Now the AND operator. We have the AND operator. It operator logic multiplication. What is this? Multiplication, and it is represented by dot. It is represented by dot. So as you can see, X dot Y can be read as a X and Y. Can be read as an X and Y. So 0 dot 0 equals to 0, 0 dot 1 equals to 0, 1 0 dot equals to 0, 1 dot 1 equals to 1. Simple calculation. 0 1 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 1 1 is 1. A simple mathematical calculation that you have to do. If you are going to represent these things in the table, like that you are going to represent. I think this topic is clear. And or not. We have discussed about the three operators. I think this is pretty clear to everyone. So we will meet in the next lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.